If you want to connect a DSLR camera or a professional looking camera like the one I'm using, the Sony a6400, that was a big breath, you need a capture card in order to direct it to the computer. Now I'm going to quickly talk about the Elgato Camlink 4K. This thing is awesome. That was upside down. The Elgato Camlink 4K, this thing is awesome. I use it literally weekly for our live streams, and then of course you do an HDMI to the camera, and then it goes into the computer via the USB 2.0 port, I believe is what that is. So this is the Elgato Camlink 4K. You need a good capture card in order to get video from your camera to your computer. This will even level up your Zoom meeting games. It also allows for audio to go through it, so if you want to connect an audio source to your camera, it can go through the Elgato Camlink. I really like this thing, under $130 depending on where you buy it from. I'll leave a link in the description of this video below if you want to go and check out the reviews. This is amazing because most capture cards out there are thousands of dollars. You can get a Blackmagic ATEM Mini for like $230, I believe, which has 4 camera inputs, but it's HDMI, so you're not going to get a good distance out of it. This is HDMI as well. It's more for a studio type thing where I'm 10 feet away from the camera with my computer. That's more what this is for. So if you need a longer distance capture card, I'll leave some other options in the description as well. But this thing has traveled with me on the road. We've gone and live streamed from Alabama and South Carolina, and this thing works great. I plug it in, use vMix to live stream, and you can live stream to multiple platforms using vMix. So the Elgato Camlink is awesome. If you want to learn about every other piece of tech that I use, including the camera, the lens, and everything else that you're actually seeing right now, I'll leave a link in the description to go and check out a full review of all the equipment that I use, which I might actually need to update soon because there is more equipment coming in. This light in particular, which I mentioned in another video, it's doing pretty good. So be sure to subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.